Hello, good day. Welcome to this short video about making payments using a dollar account. There have been various complaints about you not being able to make payment with our Nigerian ATM. And if you are using a Naira account, if you check my channel, I've recorded how to make payments using your Naira account for you. So this is specifically aimed at those that are running a dollar account. So first and foremost, we need to go and get an app by the name of Get Better. Yes, that's the name of the app that we're getting. This is how it looks like as the recording of this video. So you install it. So the purpose of this is it will enable you to generate unlimited number of cards that you can use repeatedly. Unlimited number of cards that you can use, majorly for dollar accounts. And sometimes I always use it to save, whereby maybe there are some ATMs that you don't really know your PIN or how to use it to access. The moment you're able to load funds into this platform, you're able to send money to anybody within Nigeria. You even get some chargeback value as well, and you can use it to generate card for various reasons. I use it to make payments for Netflix and every other thing. Even they keep adding new platforms most times, which helps you to get it done. So now the app is installing. Yes, we're going through some scans. Now we are done. So we get it open. So when we get, this is how it looks like. As you can see the screenshot. So because you don't have an account, I'll show you through the process. You enter your details, your account details. So you enter your password. Note, I already have an account with them, so I don't need to go through all this process. You enter your details as well. So they will ask you for your phone number, you fill it up, your password. The moment you click on register, they will ask you to verify, and it makes it very easy for you. So this is how it looks. This is my own account now. This is how it looks like. When you are registering your account on this platform, note that they are going to ask for your BVN. Don't be scared. You put in your BVN, because without that, there's no way for you to make payments on this platform. I won't be able to show you my profile because it involves some private details. So this is how it looks like. This is, as you can see, I use it to subscribe on my SpectraNet. You can use it to request money from those that are also using Get Better. You can even send money for someone on the platform that has Get Better. Send money to bank accounts, whereby you click on the bank account, you enter the amount, you choose the bank's options, and these are the various banks that they have on the platform. So, and you type the account. The moment you are sending, automatically save the beneficiary. You can even use it to buy airtime. I buy airtime a lot, and this is some of the cards that I've generated. As you can see, the number of icons here, I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is over 10 cards that I've generated, and these are the various cards I've generated for various purposes. As you can see, when you want to create a new card, you simply just click on create new card. When you click on create new card, as you can see, the various options you can use it for. There are way more bigger options you can use it for past this. You will be charged 400 naira to create another card. Some people tend to complain that their charges are too high, but I'm more concerned about the conveniences. Even if you are to use your bank account, at the moment you are able to use your card, your bank card, to make payment like once or twice on Facebook, I'm very sure that you can't make 5 successful payments without having an issue. So when you click on $1, probably you don't know the charges of that day, so you can fund it. So you can have it's going to fetch the conversion rate for that particular period of time. As at the time of recording, it's still fetching. I guess it's my network. So sometimes the charges, the rate varies based from various versions So these are the options you can use it to pay for. You can use it to pay for your DSTV, your GoTV, your StarTime. Yes, I remember using it to make payment for my StarTime, and you even get utility bills. These are the various so for each transaction you make on with this platform, it make it easy for you to you get chargebacks, which is they give you some cents back or some amount back, which you can use for something else. When you want to add account to it, you can see you can use quick money. I've not used this before. I majorly use my card or bank account. I put in my ATM details, it automatically just charge me. So it makes it easy for you to use. So, and I've been using it very, very much well. I wish I could show how long I've been using it. So you can see this is when they will charge me. There's a free version and a premium version, and on the premium version, which charge like 500 naira per month to use, the premium version give me access to be able to create unlimited cards, while for the free version you can create only like 3 cards. Before, you will not be able to create more than 3 cards. It will require you to delete before you can add back, before you can do another account. So that's the way it works. Thank you very much for watching this video. Right before I leave, some of the cards that have been confirmed to work very well as well is Zenith dollar card. They have a dollar card, GTB dollar card as well. It works very well. The last time I tried using FCMB dollar card, I was very, very much disappointed. So those are the 2 cards I know that work very well. Access doesn't work, it's an on and off thing. So to forestall issues like that is the reason why this platform is existing for you. So I don't see a reason why you have to go much more with long process to do that. Thank you very much and have a good day.